Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and download a document video from WhatsApp. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you have to do is access your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. So let's say we are in the chat section, right? And now, so let's say you are in the chat section and if you have received a document file, for that all you have to do is tap on it, and now you will be able to check out that file, right? And if you tap on this particular icon, that way you will be able to tap on this option of save a video, because that documented file is in the form the video. If I tap on it, I will be able to save this video, okay, this file, to my device. Simply same goes with the photo document file as well. Again, tap on this little icon, scroll a bit and tap on the save option, or you can also choose to tap on the save to files and choose a location for you. Simply that's how you will be able to download any document files that you get on WhatsApp. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.